Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable automation with AI summaries using Zapier. To set up Airtable automation with AI summaries using Zapier, begin by logging into your Airtable account. Select the base you want to automate. Now, navigate to the table where you want to generate AI summaries. Take note of the fields you want to include in your summaries. Next, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. Click on Make a Zap to create a new automation workflow. For the trigger app, search for and select Airtable. Choose the trigger event that fits your needs, such as new record or updated record. Connect your Airtable account to Zapier by following the prompts. Select the specific base and table that you noted earlier. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier can pull in a sample record. Once the trigger is confirmed, click on Continue. Now, it's time to set up the action step. Search for and select the AI summarization tool you want to use, such as OpenAI. Choose the action event, such as Generate Summary. Connect your AI summarization tool account to Zapier. In the action setup, map the relevant fields from Airtable to the input of the AI summarization. Add any necessary parameters, such as desired summary length or tone. Test this action step to verify that the AI generates an appropriate summary. If successful, click on Continue. Now, set up another action step to send the generated summary back to Airtable. Select Airtable again as the action app. Choose the action event, such as Update Record. Map the record ID from the trigger step to ensure you update the correct record. Then, choose the field in Airtable where you want the summary to be stored. Map the output of the AI summarization to this field. Test this action to see if the summary updates correctly in Airtable. Once all tests are successful, click on Turn on Zap. You have now successfully set up Airtable automation with AI summaries using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.